Have you ever been in a situation where you've misplaced your Novo card, or maybe you've spotted some suspicious activity on your account? You start to panic, thinking about all the hassle of canceling your card and ordering a new one. But what if there was a way to instantly secure your account and protect your funds without all that drama? Well, there is. And it's incredibly simple. You can freeze your Novo card directly from your phone. This isn't just about security, it's about peace of mind. Freezing your card is a proactive step that puts you in control, giving you a quick and effective way to prevent unauthorized transactions the moment you suspect something is wrong. So, how do you do it? The process is super straightforward. First, you'll need to open your Novo app. Once you're in, navigate to the Card tab. You'll see an image of your Novo card there. Now, look for a small button or a toggle that says Freeze Card. Tapping this will instantly block any new transactions from being made with your card. It's that easy. Your card is now frozen, and your funds are secure. Now, let's say you find your card again, or you've resolved the issue. How do you get things back to normal? Unfreezing your card is just as simple as freezing it. You'll go back to the Card tab in your Novo app. You'll see that the Freeze Card button has changed to Unfreeze Card or is a toggle you can switch back. Tapping this will immediately reactivate your card, allowing you to use it for purchases again. The card is instantly live, and you're good to go. Freezing and unfreezing your Novo card is a powerful feature designed to give you instant control over your finances. It's a security measure that's always within reach, helping you protect your business and your money from wherever you are. It's a simple, effective tool that every Novo user should know how to use. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.